Which Augustan writer's epitaph reads, "One who strove with all his might to champion liberty." Options are Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, Henry Fielding, and Daniel Defoe. Do you know? If you know, you can place your answer in chat box. Which Augustan writer's epitaph reads, "One who strove with all his might to champion liberty"? And the answer is Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope's epitaph reads, "One who strove with all his might to champion liberty." Very important to keep in mind. Next question is, French Revolution broke out in which year? 1789 and lasted in 1799. Okay. What is every man? Every man is a work by whom? We show that every man is a morality play. It's a 15th century morality play written by anonymous writer. And the writer is anonymous. Ben Jonson is associated with sentimental comedy, romantic comedy, comedy of manners, or comedy of humor. Ben Jonson is associated with comedy of humor. And William Congreve is associated with comedy of manners. No. Iliad was first translated into English by whom? Iliad was translated, you can say first translated in English by George Chapman in 1611, then by Dryden in 1700, and Pope in 1715. Okay, be sure that Iliad was first translated in English by George Chapman in 1611, then by Dryden in 1700, and Pope in 1715. Okay. Next question before you is, who set the style for modern English prose? Who, I repeat the question, who set the style for modern English prose? Chaucer, Lamb, Dryden, or Swift? Yes, it is so because Chaucer, who covers a period from 1340 to 1400, is called the father of English poetry. Lamb, who covers a period from 1775 to 1834, is called the prince among English essayists and the father of English personal essay. Dryden, who took birth in 1631 and died in 1700, was a dramatist and a critic and poet as well. So, Swift, who took birth in 1667 and died in 1745, set the style for modern English prose 1667. His satirical prose in Gulliver's Travels that came in 1726 and other works is famed to set the style for modern English prose. Okay, now Geetanjali in English was published in 1912. Be sure that Geetanjali was originally published in Bengali in 1910 and in English in 1912, and it was translated in English by Rabindranath Tagore himself. And for this, he won the Nobel Prize in 1913. Heroic drama was a form mainly specific to Anglo-Saxon heroic period, romantic period, restoration period, or Elizabethan period. And answer is yes, you are right, restoration period. The Pulitzer Prize, the famous Pulitzer Prize, is awarded by the American government, the Council of American Arts and Letters, the Ford Foundation, or the Columbia University, New York. Answer is yes, Columbia University, New York, and it is awarded by the university in the memory of Joseph Pulitzer. And who was Joseph Pulitzer? Joseph Pulitzer was the publisher of New York World. New York World. Since 1917 in America for journalism and literature. Pulitzer Prize is awarded by Columbia University in the memory of Joseph Pulitzer, the publisher of New York World since 1917 in America for journalism and literature. Now, romanticism and idealism are two main features of romantic literature, Victorian literature, Elizabethan literature, or Augustan literature. Romanticism and idealism. Be sure that romanticism and idealism are the main features of Elizabethan literature. There is no doubt that there are romantic features in romantic literature. There is no doubt that there is idealism in Victorian literature, but the fact is that romanticism and idealism are the main features of Elizabethan literature. The plot then is the principal and soul of tragedy, and character holds the second place. Who said? Yes, Aristotle. Morning star of Renaissance is said to be Chaucer. With him is born our real poetry. Who said? For whom? With him is born our real poetry. It is said by Arnold in his famous work, The Study of Poetry. And he criticized in it Chaucer for lacking high seriousness. But Arnold admits here that with him is born our real poetry. In the War of Roses, Roses stands for what? Flowers, girls, houses, books. Houses. Houses. The fact is that the War of Roses were a series of wars of control of the throne of England fought between supporters of two rivals branches of the royal house of Plantagenet, the house of Lancaster, associated with a red rose, and the house of York, whose symbol was a white rose. Hence, in the War of Roses, Roses stands for the houses. The Divine Comedy narrates Dante's journey for hell to paradise, paradise to hell, birth to death, the death to birth. And answer is hell to paradise. Divine Comedy narrates Dante's journey from hell to paradise. It's a famous epic poem by Dante, began in 1308 and completed in 1320, a year before his death in 1321. The Divine Comedy is an epic poem by Dante Alighieri, which began in 1308 and completed in 1320, a year before his death in 1321. The poem describes, narrates Dante's travels through hell, purgatory, and paradise. This poem consists of 14,233 lines and they are divided into three canticas. Who among the following is a writer of historical romances? Options before you are Thomas Hardy, Charles Dickens, Walter Scott, Mark Twain. Walter Scott. Since Hardy and Dickens are famous novelists, Walter Scott is known for historical novels. He is a Scottish historical novelist, poet, and playwright. No. Sir Thomas More belonged to England, France, Ireland, Scotland. England. Sir Thomas More belonged to England. He is known for his Utopia, that is also known as the Kingdom of Nowhere. He was a counselor to Henry VII, and yes, I will repeat. He was a counselor to Henry VII and Lord High Chancellor of England from October 1529 to 16th May 1532. Cervantes, Cervantes, you can note down. The author of Don Quixote belonged to which country? France, Germany, Spain, Italy. Be sure that Michael Cervantes, who lived from 1547 to 1616, and he was a Spanish writer. He is known to be one of the world's preeminent novelists. Among the question is, among who among the following writers is known as the Queen of Crime? Options before you are Virginia Woolf, Agatha Christie, Catherine Mansfield, and Georgette Hare. Be sure that Agatha Christie is known as the Queen of Crime. Dame Agatha Mary Clarissa Christie, Lady Maloban, was an English crime novelist, short story writer, and playwright. She is best known for her 66 detective novels and 14 short story collections. No. Levithan, Levithan, is a famous work by options before you are John Lilly, Francis Bacon, Thomas Hobbes, Robert Burton. Be sure that Leviathan is a book written by Thomas Hobbes during 1588 to 1679. Sorry, 16 date is somewhat confusing here, but it's unsure. But publication is certain, and it published in 1651. No. Pope, in his letter to Arabella, in his famous work, The Rape of the Lock, states that he borrowed his supernatural machinery from option A, the Cabbage, B, Temple Orients, C, Theli Mysticism, and D, Rosicrucians. And the answer to this question is Rosicrucians. In his letter to Arabella, Pope states that he borrowed his supernatural machinery from Rosicrucians. Next question before you is the surface narrative of Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel is taken from the surface narrative of Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel is taken from English history, Dutch legends, Plutarch's lives, or the Bible. And the answer is Bible. Be sure that the surface narrative of Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel is taken from the Bible. It is a political satire, and the poem exists in two parts. The first part of 1681 is undoubtedly by Dryden. The second part of 1682 was by another hand, most likely by Nahum Tate, except for a few passages. Now, Cavalier poets supported whom in the Civil War? Charles I. During the English Civil War. Be sure that Cavalier poets is a broad description of a school of English poets of the 17th century who came from the classes that supported King Charles I during the English Civil War. Who wrote the famous play Duchess of Malfi? John Baptist. And when did it publish? The Duchess of Malfi by John Webster published in 1623. Who is the author of Robinson Crusoe? Robinson Crusoe is a novel by Daniel Defoe. It first published on 25th April 1719. Who has been referred to as the high priest of Romanticism? Wordsworth is known as the high priest of nature, while Coleridge has been referred to as the high priest of romanticism. High priest of romanticism. The Spanish Armada was defeated in the year 1588, and they were defeated by an English naval force under the command of Lord Charles Howard and Sir Francis Drake. The life of Samuel Johnson was planned by whom? I repeat the question. James Boswell. The life of Samuel Johnson. डॉक्टर जॉनसन की एक बायोग्राफी है, एंड it was by James Boswell in 1791. Who initiated the drama of ideas in England in the 20th century? Who initiated the drama of ideas in England in the 20th century? G. Visa. G. Visa in England. The drama of ideas in England in 20th century was initiated by G. Visa. I will repeat that. Okay. Who is known as the first translator of Bible into English? Wycliffe in 14th century.